There you go, Mick at Diggermate here. One of the most common uses for a mini excavator is digging a trench, and in this video I'm going to take you through how to do it properly.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
So to start with, you want to make sure you've got control of the hydraulics and the boom. So to do this, it's a good idea to practice just dragging the top of the bucket teeth across the dirt to start with, just so you've got complete control over the boom and over the hydraulics. So before you start digging, just start scraping the top of the dirt, just so you've got complete control of the boom, the bucket and the hydraulics. So once you have control of the boom and the hydraulics, you can now start to dig your trench. So just dig it a little bit, and the most important thing is to get full extension on the boom all the way into the dozer blade. So once you pull it all the way in, then you crowd your bucket all the way up, and nicely in a circular motion, you can dump the soil back on the ground and then go back to the top of the trench. This is going to give you maximum efficiency. If you work in a circular motion, you're way better off than digging and dumping. So now you're digging, it's important when you're starting the trench to start with a square edge right at the very top. So make sure you dig down with a square edge, get your level and pull straight back. When you go back a second time, go down again with a square edge a little bit deeper and pull back. If you start to banana bend the trench at the very top and don't go down far enough to start with, it's going to be really hard to go back to the top and get a square edge. So really important, get the level right from the start. Get a square edge and pull straight back from the start of your trench. Once you've dug down to your depth and dug your trench all the way along, to finish it off nice and neatly, make sure you clean the bucket, clean the bottom of the trench with the bucket, and also clean the sides as well. It'll make it nice and easy for whoever's using the trench to get in there and work with it. Now you need to move back. When you move back, make sure you move back the full length of the boom as far as you can possibly go back. If you do little movements, you're going to start digging holes and the trench isn't going to be clean. So now to continue the trench, it's really important just to repeat the process over again. So you just drag your teeth across the top of the soil to get your line, and then you go down and get a little bit of depth, pull all the way back, around and dump. Little bit of depth, around, back and dump. If you try and grab the whole bucket full, more than likely you're going to lift that up and your trench is going to collapse. So it's really important to repeat the process from the start. Just take it nice and easy and just pull across the top. So that's it. Now you know the top tips for digging a trench. You can go ahead and hire a mini excavator from Diggermate from any one of the locations all around Australia. No license or tickets are required, and you can book online at diggermate.com.au.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends, and give us a thumbs up.